Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use a gift card for DoorDash. DoorDash gift cards are a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite meals delivered right to your door or to treat someone special. They provide a simple and secure payment method for your orders. You can find these versatile cards available for purchase both digitally and at many physical retail locations, making them incredibly accessible for everyone. Let's dive into how to get started with yours. Adding your gift card to your DoorDash account is a straightforward process. First, open the DoorDash application on your mobile device or head over to the DoorDash website. Once you are logged in, simply navigate to the account section, which is usually found in the main menu. From there, look for the gift card or payment methods option. You will then be prompted to enter the 16-digit code found on your gift card. It's that easy. Once your gift card is successfully added, using it to pay for your next meal is seamless. Simply browse through the wide selection of restaurants and add your desired food items to your cart. When you are ready to complete your order, proceed to the checkout page. Your available gift card balance will automatically be applied to your order total. If your order exceeds the gift card amount, you can easily pay the remaining balance using another preferred payment method. Keeping track of your gift card balance is simple and convenient. To check your remaining funds, just open the DoorDash application or visit the website and navigate back to the account or payment methods section. Your current gift card balance will be clearly displayed, showing you exactly how much you have left to spend. This feature helps you manage your funds effectively and plan your next delicious DoorDash order with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.